Welcome back to Sticky Nose. In our series on renewable energy, we've already explored solar and wind power, two clean energy sources transforming the way we power our world. If you haven't seen those episodes, check out the links in the description. Today we're diving into the world of hydropower, energy generated from moving water. But how does hydropower work, and how is it helping us build a more sustainable future? Let's find out. Hydropower is energy derived from the force of moving water. The concept of harnessing water's power goes back centuries, from ancient water wheels to the powerful hydroelectric dams we have today. Water is one of the most reliable renewable resources we have. As long as rivers flow and water cycles through the earth, we have the potential to generate electricity. Here's how hydropower works. Water is stored in a reservoir, usually behind a dam. When the water is released, it flows through turbines. The force of the moving water spins the turbines, which, in turn, drive a generator that produces electricity. The larger the reservoir and the greater the water flow, the more electricity we can generate. That's why hydropower plants are usually built near large rivers with significant water flow. There are several types of hydropower plants. The most common is the conventional hydroelectric dam, which relies on a large reservoir. Another type is run-of-the-river systems, where the natural flow of the river generates power without a large dam. And then there's pumped storage hydropower. This type acts like a giant battery. During low demand times, water is pumped uphill to a storage reservoir, and during high demand periods, it's released to generate electricity. Each type has its own advantages and is used based on the location and needs of the region. So why is hydropower such a valuable source of renewable energy? Let's talk benefits. First, hydropower is clean and produces zero carbon emissions, meaning it's excellent for the environment. Second, it's reliable. Hydropower can generate power 24/7, unlike solar and wind, which depend on the sun and wind. Hydropower also helps stabilize the electrical grid. Because it's reliable and can quickly respond to changes in energy demand, it acts as a steady backup for other renewable sources like solar and wind. However, hydropower does come with challenges. Building large dams can disrupt ecosystems, affecting wildlife and displacing communities. Plus, water levels can vary with the seasons, impacting electricity production. And with climate change, some areas are experiencing less rainfall, which can reduce water levels and the ability to generate power. Balancing these impacts is crucial as we expand hydropower's role in our energy mix. Despite these challenges, many countries are harnessing the power of water. For example, Norway generates nearly all its electricity from hydropower, and countries like Brazil and Canada are also leaders in hydroelectric production. In some regions, small-scale hydro projects are helping local communities generate their own power, creating energy independence and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next episode on geothermal energy. Let's keep exploring renewable energy together here on Sticky Nose. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.